Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 2-ingredient apple compote. Peel, core, and cut the apples into 8 wedges. This time I used Granny Smith, Fuji, Rome, and Spartan apples that I picked at an apple farm in Oak Glen, California. But you can use any variety you like. Spartan apples are especially lovely as their purple skin and white flesh give the compote a beautiful pink hue. In a bowl, combine the apple wedges with the apple cider or apple juice. Add the peeled skins as well, as they help infuse the apples with extra flavor and a beautiful color. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. Carefully remove it from the microwave and gently stir to coat the apples evenly with the apple cider or apple juice. Microwave for another minute or so until the apples are tender but still hold their shape. Remove from the microwave and let it cool. You can keep them in a refrigerator up to 3 days or freeze them up to a few months. You can serve it warm or chilled. It's delicious on yogurt, ice cream, oatmeal, pancakes, or even on its own. I hope you enjoy making this delicious apple compote and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.